How to get a Sainsbury's Nectar Card. Getting a Sainsbury's Nectar Card is super easy and completely free. You can collect points every time you shop at Sainsbury's, Argos, Esso, or eBay. Start by visiting the Nectar website or downloading the Nectar app from the App Store or Google Play. Once it's installed, tap Join Nectar and fill in your details, name, email, and postcode. After signing up, you'll receive a digital Nectar card in the app instantly. You can also request a physical card if you prefer to swipe it in-store. Now, link your Nectar account to Sainsbury's online shopping or your Smart Shop app. Every time you scan or use your card, you'll earn points on your purchases. You can redeem these points later for discounts, shopping vouchers, or partner rewards. That's it. You've successfully created your Sainsbury's Nectar card and can start earning rewards right away. Thanks for watching.